feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
If your hybrid car's check engine light comes on, it can mean anything from a loose gas cap to battery or engine issues. Usually, it's safe to drive a short distance, but get it checked soon to avoid damage or lower fuel efficiency. When in doubt, schedule a diagnostic test to keep your hybrid running smoothly and safely.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.